Welcome to this unboxing video. This is for a set of Ford Fiesta MK6 LED DRL headlights. This fits models from 02 right through to 09, so it will do the pre-facelift and the facelifted version as well. We'll get these opened up, we'll take a closer look, and we'll also get them illuminated. So they took some unboxing, packed really well, ideal for mail order, so we'll ensure there's no damages when they arrive at your end. The headlights are covered in a clear film. This protects any scratches during transit, and there is also some additional packaging to protect any vulnerable brackets. So let me just quickly whip this film off and we'll take a closer look. So let's start with the front. This is a really popular seller for us still. We still do quite a lot of these headlights. So what we've got on this is a matte black inner with a projector dip beam, which gives it a xenon style look, with a reflector high beam. The LED DRL is a bit like Audi R8 style, which just runs along the bottom with individual LEDs. These are bright white. So that's the front. Let's spin them over and look at the rear. So these headlights are manual adjust only. They do not come with load level motors. These do come with bulbs fitted, and also the plugs directly into the loom on the vehicle, so there's no need to mess about altering any wiring. What we'll do next is we'll get these illuminated and take a closer look at them lit up.